We're at 0001 with a volume of 43 million. Volume's dropped off here a little bit, hitting as high as 2 billion on 420. Whoa, that's quite a bit of shares there with no movement. I would want to do some research here into the share structure that is going to be for sure. You guys are going to have that resistance level down here at 2, obviously, especially with the 30-day simple moving averages. Again, we have not went over this one here since March 1st together. A lot of shares being traded here, guys. Being honest with you, I would be very careful. 0001. Giving you guys my honest opinion. I don't want to see you guys getting stuck in anything, but coming down over here from January, going nowhere fast at 0007 down to 1. Again, don't take that as being, negative against the company or negative against, your decisions or anything like that. You know what? I'm not going to sit here and, try to make something out that it's not. Okay. And obviously that's our goal here, is to do the research like this and find potential in these stocks. But right now with 2 billion and 1 billion going from 0002 to 1 on that kind of volume, you guys can even hit at 0004. Probably a lot of shares and selling going on.
Yeah, the authorized 19,995,000,000. So it's definitely got a lot of authorized in there. The float it's showing as of September 23rd, 2016 being 44 shares. So as of September 23rd, they're showing 44 shares in there. So I'm not sure if obviously that's not right. Yeah, it's just a lot of shares on there. All right. They did have a press release on May 1st. I mean, which was obviously it was good news, for their first quarter, 2017. So it was PositiveID Corporation, a life science company focused on detection and diagnostics, announced on May 1st a summary of its highlights for the first quarter of 2017 with its ENG Mobile Systems Incorporated and Thermomedics Incorporated subsidiaries. The company plans to announce its first quarter financial results when it files its Form 10-Q with the SEC in mid-May. So highlights: ENG received a purchase order from a single customer for multiple mobile chemistry laboratories, totaling more than 1.2 million, with delivery expected in the second half of 2017. ENG bookings for the first quarter of 2017 totaled 1.9 million, an increase of more than 200% over total bookings in the fourth quarter of 2016. ENG expanded its service offering to include mobile support and repairs on call or under a service contract to help its customers minimize vehicle downtime. And let's see, multiple samples and tests continue to be performed on the Firefly DX breadboard platform. So they continue progress on the Department of Homeland Security SenseNet program for the development of indoor monitoring for biological threats using Firefly DX technology. So further optimization to the Firefly DX system resulting in reduced overall runtime while maintaining laboratory equivalent results. And Thermomedics entered into a distribution agreement with National Distribution and Contracting Incorporated, under which NDC will purchase units of Caregiver to distribute to its members, distributors serving the acute care, alternate site, long-term care, and home health segments. And let's see, Thermomedics entered into a distribution agreement with MedPro Associates, a national contracted sales firm, to market Caregiver to alternate site and long-term care markets, along with targeted acute care facilities. So it states that over the past year, PositiveID has fundamentally grown from a niche molecular diagnostics company to a horizontally integrated detection and diagnostics company with product offerings across multiple industries, stated William Caragol, Chairman and CEO of PositiveID. Our first quarter highlights demonstrate the progress we continue to make in ENG and Thermomedics, which are integral components of the company. We will stay focused on organically growing these revenue-producing businesses and at the same time look to further expand PositiveID through additional potential strategic acquisitions. Meanwhile, we stayed focused on our roots and the exciting value proposition of Firefly DX, continued cargo. We are determined to complete the development and testing of Firefly DX to bring this product into the point of need testing market. We are in active discussions to solidify a partnership with the right strategic entity to help us fund and complete the Firefly DX development, concluded cargo. So that's that. I mean, there's obviously more. I could keep going. I've read about 5 paragraphs with the highlights, and there's another 4 on there for that May 1st press release. So if you want to continue reading that, you go right over to the PSID board, go right to the recent news, and you'll see it right there for the May 1st. If you're interested in doing more due diligence on PositiveID Corp, just go right over there on that board. While you're there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we use in the site daily.
That's right. Over here on 5/3, today's date, like I said, 0001, a lot of shares here, so play it safe in my opinion. I would do more research on the company. I really can't give you guys too many support and resistance levels. If you want me to, I could. 0002 and 1. Unfortunately, I see you guys talking over here in the chat too. There's over 500 people right now tuning in, so welcome to all you guys, and to you guys that are watching this as well. I see somebody just mentioned here, they seem to have a good product, but it might take a while in at 0003. So obviously, you know, they have a good product according to this person that seems to be invested in this. I would do your research. PSID. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe if you haven't. Check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.